Hey guys, we are in New York. Hey ha! And it looks like almost everybody's clearing off here. Yeah, pretty cool, man. All right. Yeah, I can't smoke out there or vape, so I'm not even gonna get off. Just chill out in here. And then we are off to Boston. Yeah, buddy. Boston, here I come. Oh, I should go check on my bike. Yeah, let's go take a look at Xena. Make sure she's all right up there. Oh, there's Xena hanging from her back wheel. I had to loosen these things because they were sticking out too far. All right, man. We are off to Boston, my friends. All right, catch you.